Meta just dropped a new AI model that lets you edit audio the same way we prompt images and videos. Meta released a new model called Sam Audio, part of their Segment Anything family. It's designed to isolate or remove specific sounds from complex audio recordings using simple prompts. You can extract instruments from a full song, isolate dialogue from background noise, or clean up unwanted sounds like traffic or barking dogs. You can prompt it with text, visually click on a person or object in a video, or select a time span where the sound appears. Sam Audio is available to try in Meta's Segment Anything playground, and it's also fully open source on GitHub. Comment audio, and I'll send you everything you need to try it.